we're going to show you a little walk of the lake. We hope you enjoy it. And we'd also like to say like and subscribe. So, this is our first video without Nan and Granddad with us, isn't it?
Yeah, and by the way, the campsites we can't do here anymore because of the fires.
Yeah, we're not allowed barbecues anymore due to wildfire risk. But anyway, let's get going. As you can tell, we're walking down to the lake.
It's a beautiful lake.
We got moved from down there to the fact that people were emptying their grey water and black water into the lake.
And into the buses.
Yeah, people in cars were going toilet, but so we're up next to a barbecue area.
This is the beautiful
Lake where Bella's learned to swim. And I've also learned to swim. We've made many friends here, many barbecues that before we wasn't able to. Just go run in front and show them the lovely lake. There's Bella.
So today we're swimming in this lake. As you can see, we're wearing a swimsuit.
Yep. But here's the lake's water.
It's very hot. It's very hot. That's why we needed to go with it on.
I love it here, I do. So, come over here. See a bit more. Sorry, we just climbing over a few rocks. You might have just heard that fish jump over there. I saw a frog here yesterday. Good big frog. We went for a boat ride with Granddad's friend Michael yesterday, along here. We went all the way to those mini rocks, all the way over there. That's all from us for now. We'll see you later. We hope you enjoy. Like and
Subscribe.
bye for now.
Hi. Welcome to Budge's Bus. My name's Bella.
And I'm Melody.
Today we're gonna warn you that no fires, no barbecues at all. They put the new signs up.
They've had signs on the trees. The reason we have not been moving is due to the fact the fire brigade has told us to stay in the local area and not to travel if we don't really need to. So travel aren't only needed, for instance, like shopping. So we've been staying here lately.
Okay, should we show you the signs?
Yep. Go to the sign over here.
So here's one of the signs.
This one's telling you to stay in a rural area.
Yeah, and there's a new one on the thingy over there.
This one is one that we saw which they first placed up. There was a different sign at first. Yesterday they came late afternoon and changed it to this one.
Okay, do you want to go on your walk?
Yep. Let's go.
Let's go.
weather here has been in the 30s and 40s. The highest it has been now 0.5.
Yeah.
degrees Celsius, which I think is 120 Fahrenheit.
Yep, so we're gonna show you the big. Last time me and Melody showed you the small lake, so we're gonna show you the big lake this time.
And we're going to show you the water.
That's what we're doing. We're gonna. As you can see, it's a beautiful
Environment.
nature. Now we carry on walking, yeah? You can see the lake we showed you last time. And I'm gonna show you another lake. And we used to park over there
Before boats started coming with us, when I was younger, we'd always park over here.
and then we have to go this way to get to this bridge.
It isn't a bridge, it's a path.
If we go this way, you can see it's looking good. Let's get on the path. We're not on the path yet, are we? Now we are. So as you can see, it's going very well here. Okay, now we have to show you the waves.
Over here.
This is where the graves are. Very sad people sadly died here. It's very sad. And there's something what you can read over here. I'm just going to show you slowly. We thought it was a sign, but it wasn't really.
This is the way they were built to look like. I don't know if you can tell, it's very stable. But they found that pot in here. The pattern is completely different.
Yeah, but
That's because of age though, isn't
should we show you the next spot?
Yeah. Well, let's continue.
Okay.
You can kind of see the pond where they're arranged. I think they've been here for 100 years or more. Sadly, somebody spray painted on the rocks over there.
Yeah, as you can see, it's blue. Should we go show them closer? Because I can barely see it. Now we're on this camera. Our viewers. As we carry on walking, you're gonna see the thingy, the spray paint.
Chair
Wall lizards.
and a mattress.
Yeah, these people are being crazy over here.
Yep, got that.
Yeah, spray painted.
This is a little birdhouse in the rock. See? Oh, it's cool. It's nice and quiet over here. Right, come on, let's go.
As Melody said, she thought she saw a nest in that hole.
No, it's not a nest at all. Bird nest over there. Oh, bird nest and bird house.
Yep.
Okay,
I guess you can't see it that well, but if you could,
that's what we're there.
just tell us in the section down below.
We hope you enjoyed this mini video.
And please like and subscribe to our granddad and nan's channel.
We will be catching you